Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday is the core series, we're exploring yet another Creme de Menthe. This is a white or clear version. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell for us. Matt, you want to tell me a little bit more about this particular Creme de Menthe?
All right, Creme de Menthe, Harmony and Walker here. Beautiful clear, the white version of this. We just did the green. Once again, it's mint leaves and GNS and add sugar. Yay! Except for also no coloring to this one. So this is also the big use in the stinger, also 15%. Let's see if it smells any different or tastes any different than the green version. Well, similar, but not quite as...
I'm getting more of a peppermint vibe off of this one versus
Yeah.
the last one that gave me very
Peppermint.
spearmint.
Oh yeah, definitely different.
This one is
more like
much
peppermint schnapps.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay.
Supposedly they're very similar, but they're definitely different.
They're different
Similar,
on the
but
nose.
different.
They smell like different mint leaves.
Yeah, and maybe they are. They don't say they're different mint leaves, but they certainly could be. Oh, it smells
Again,
nice,
it smells very sweet, but it smells like sugar and mint. But this time, again, just very peppermint, peppermint hard candies.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Sweet.
Yeah, same on the palate. Oh, that one's sweeter.
Sweeter, yeah. And it's got this very, very oily, like almost like a split dip between the water and the oils. Weird.
Yeah. This one is way more sugar forward to me. It's sweeter.
Agreed.
It's definitely more into the peppermint realm versus the green version of this same product was a lot less sweet.
Yes, and way more minty. This is
way more mint forward. Yeah.
Still tastes good. I think I'd rather drink the green one though.
I think that if you have a sweet tooth, this one is for you.
Yeah, you like
if you don't have a sweet tooth,
perfect.
Yeah, if you don't have a sweet tooth, stick with the green one.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's good.
What's our price point? Still cheap?
$7 from college, so it was like $10 now. Also a 20-plus-year-old bottle. It's all good.
Gotta love it, man.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
All right, we gotta go to karate, so thank you, and I will see you soon.